Good evening, guys. Hi, everyone watching. Hi. I'm David Meton, a student in Bachelor Information Technology at Charter University. I want to take this time to appreciate all of you for visiting my channel. This is my first video to be uploaded on my channel from my tech. All my technological advancement from the day I entered India. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can share my channel link, ask your friends to subscribe. There will be more videos that will be uploaded every Friday by 6 p.m. Eastern time. 6 p.m. Eastern time. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell that whenever I upload a video, it's going to notify you, and then you can go and watch this video. Today here we are going to be looking at Outsystem Service Studio, and we are going to be looking at how to firstly start our first app ever using the low-code platform Outsystem Service Studio. So ladies and gentlemen, stick as we stock as we stick. But David Metone is here to take you through. Let's get started. First, I'm going to be telling you how to download Outsystem Service Studio. So you can come to the website of Outsystem. So like you can see, I've been using a lot of Outsystem stuff. You see here, we have Outsystem User Group Community Connect, which I'm part of, where they teach all how to use UiPath. They teach you how to use API, how to do system integration. My first software ever I built was a health card, or electronic health card, where you are asked to fill in the information, and based on the information you fill in, the system is automatically going to detect to you the symptoms or the cause of those symptoms, what are possible sickness those symptoms causes. So it was my first app. It was built some part of January 2022, and then when I first did my submission to the Outsystem Community Connect or coordinator, and then I was invited for interview. After this interview, and so it's just a low code platform. You just have to put your mind to it. Whenever you stuck, you just reboot the whole thing, start from scratch, and then as times go by, you don't have to be an expertise in Java programming. You don't have to be an expertise in any of those programming language. You just have to know the basic or the fundamental of programming. That's all you need, because it have its own script rating, everything. You just use icon integration, and that's it. So you should know how super cool this application is. Okay, go to Outsystem.com. So now if you click on Outsystem.com, you see this whole platform. They're just going to tell you some of those video and other stuff that we work on normally. And then you can just come to the same address. Simple. I'm sorry, mistake from me. It's not a URL. Just go to software download Outsystem, and they're going to ask you if you want to download the Outsystem for Windows or Mac. It's going to detect automatically. For me, I'm using a MacBook M2 Air, and it's 2022 version, and I'm using iOS beta, which is a developer beta. So we review every operating system that comes out before it can be published to the public. So we check here, see, download Outsystem Service Studio. Click here. So if you are using a Mac, it's automatically going to download. And here, as you can see, Service Studio 11.53.20.61431 TMG is a TMG file. It contains all the boxes of everything you need. So after downloading, we close our web page. After downloading, we close our web page. After this web page is being closed, we come to download and we click this. Yeah. So, okay. And we need to see our system like this. We need to see our Outsystem like this. We need to see it should be part of our application. Where are you? Don't give me another look. Okay, something like this, right? We should see it to be part of this. Something like this. So before doing that, we have to click on our Outsystem and drag it to our application. So once I drop it in this application, you see here, it's going to show all of the application you have installed on this particular device. But I have it already, I don't need it. And then when you just drop it, and then installation is going to start automatically. You don't need to do anything. Yeah. So after you get your I'm sorry for the sticking of the video, I'm using my phone to do the recording at the same time sharing on the screen. I'm sorry. So now let's get started with the next step. Our next step here is to keep more storage space. After you get your Outsystem installed on your MacBook, where you do this installation Pioneer here, all you need to do is just to drag it and drop it to recycle bin. That's all you need to do. You just click, or you can even inject it. You don't need to use it anymore. Yeah, just inject the whole thing. So after the injection, now we are coming to start with our Outsystem. Open our Outsystem platform. Okay, so it's just a couple of minutes. Slowly. Yeah, definitely has loaded. And another thing again, before locking into Outsystem, you need an environment. This environment is my personal environment. You can see it has personal CU9 PGYV and 5 whatsoever. This is where all of my applications that I built will be saved, will be integrated. Like you can see, I told you I have some sort of CAP, DCare, and DBMS Bank. It's just a banking system that I tried creating, and this one also. So now we are going to start from scratch. Just a couple of minutes. It's taking too long. Then it has an internet issue. So okay. Okay, so they are going to ask a multiple question. We want to start from scratch, or we want to start from app are those apps that we develop or we build that has been integrated to the Outsystem server. And then if you want to get started, you are kind of a bit confused, you can just go and modify those apps. They are meant for modification. You can modify them the way you want it to function. You do it, but that is tough. We are not going to do that method here. We're going to start from scratch. So we click start from scratch and then click next. Okay, after we click next thing we are going to look at here, just give me a minute. Let me tell you my start your manager, because I'm on this video stuff to be played. Yeah, what minutes we need to be playing. So I think it will give us an effective traceback. So now we're going to take reactive web app and click next. Now we're going to name our application Go Gaga TRZ. So that's just a crazy app. And next thing we are going to do is we're going to choose a color. And if we want to upload a picture to our app as an icon, we just click upload icon, and they're just going to give you a lot of. Let me just take the screenshot and upload it as my icon, right? So you see, it's going to upload automatically to your icon, whatever thing you put there, it's just going to take it in with everything. So right now I'm going to use this. I'm just going to use this onion, and I'm just going to upload it. So you see here, file size must be under 512 kilobytes. So here we go. So before you can upload icon, make sure you have the exact picture size which are required for you to upload image of an icon. You can go and depress it. Yeah, you see this one. And I click create. After creating, so now it's going to be going through. So the next thing, we are going to create a model, right? The model is where you are allowed to design your application, or how you want for your application to function, how you want a user to view your application from their devices, how you want for those devices that are assigned or tagged to those applications to display, and for every device you are going to use, it should get exact fitting of that display of the device. So we will set the models, and then after we set the models, then we can create our next step. So we can create models. So we start generating our models after the application model is created, and then bam, that's the first step. Sorry for the email. That's the first step. So we can just wait as it load. We can just wait. Oh, this network sucks today. Yeah, it sucks. The network, it sucks. Bam! Application has been opened. So now the next step we are going to do is, for every step we take, we have to publish. This is one good thing about Outsystem that I love. For every step you have to publish. Every step you have to publish. So the first step here we are going to publish is we want to get an overview stream of our first login. First publish our first login, and then you can see next thing to do. So our first login is being published. It's going to publish. While publish, is going to debug, compile, and check for error. If there is any error in the integration, it's automatically going to tell you that there is an error in the integration. So they just wait as it publish. See here, uploading. conversion into HTTP. So this is my service center. This is my environment. This, you see, compiling, generating and compiling optimized codes and database strips. Automatically there are codes and database strips that are already been set in Outsystem. You don't need to create one, you just modify. It's a deploying update database product and deploying the web application. It deploy every database that you need or you want to modify to that particular application. And after deployment, and then it's done, it's now available at HTTP. So once you copy this link, this environment you see here, personal Outsystem cloud.go gaga, right? And the name of the application is Go Gaga. So you just have it here, and then it's done. If you open in browser, you are just going to see it because you have not set anything. So it just displayed it there. You see it. You don't have permission to view this string because nothing has been done. No editing, nothing. Please contact your system administrator. You click it up in, it won't go through. You see it? Simple as it is. So you see it, this is just the first step. So now we are going to be looking at how to create a screen. We want to add a screen. We got to add string. So they are going to bring multiples of string, which screen you want to use, and then you can just go and just choose your, like I said, you don't have to create any ones, nothing. You just choose and just modify. So first I'm going to take a banking screen, banking registration, and then include menu and create string. Screen is created, or what you need to do is, like for example, photo or valid ID form. If the person is filling in the form, you wanted to, whatever thing you wanted to get, it's just going to get it exactly. So now we say sign in to confirm your registration signature, and then you click next. It's going to confirm next, or you go back, or you clear everything. You just modify anyhow you want it to be. And then after the modification, please, you do not forget to publish. For every step you take, you need to publish. Every step you take, you need to publish. If not so, you are just going to lose every database that you just create, or every modification you carry on a particular app. Because for every step you take, it's going to lead you into another step. So now it's done, it's deployed, it's stored, it has generated and compiled optimized database strips, and everything is set. So if you open now in browser, let's see what it's going to be like. See, open current account. See, so open current account now. You are going to be asked to just click here, upload whatever you want to upload, and then come here, whatever you want to upload, ID, whatever you want to upload. After everything, you click next, and then you just go on. So guys, I hope you understand my first steps, and then hope to see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you and have a pleasant day. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.